Welcome back to the Daily Wisdom Practice. We are now officially entering week 3. Today is day 15. Hit the like button right now to set your intention for today's mental success. Today, we are breaking through a hidden trap that drains your energy and steals your peace every single day. The trap of judgment. Subscribe to tune out the noise, and let's begin. Let's be completely honest with ourselves. We judge people all day long. We criticize the way someone speaks, how they drive, or what they post online. And even worse, we turn that same harsh criticism inward and constantly beating ourselves up. We think judgment is just an innocent opinion, but in Ho'oponopono, we realize something massive. Judgment is just old toxic data, which tries to distract you from your own healing. When you look at someone and think, this person is so arrogant, or that is completely wrong, your conscious mind believes that it is objectively assessing the external world. The external world cannot trigger an emotion in you unless there is a matching memory inside your own subconscious. Judging someone else is like seeing a stain on a window and blaming the glass instead of what caused it. When you point a finger of criticism outward, you are actually shining a flashlight on an unhealed part of your own inner self, your soul that has yet to be healed. The very moment you stop judging and begin to heal your own reaction, the external world transforms as well. Think of a person you have been criticizing heavily in your mind recently. Or think of a harsh judgment you hold against yourself. Feel the tight, toxic energy of that opinion. I am sorry for using judgment to avoid my own healing process. I am sorry for imposing my inner noise onto you. Please forgive me for forgetting that we are all interconnected. Thank you for showing me what I still need to clear. I love you. I choose clarity over criticism. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. True wisdom lies in letting go of your opinions and fully embracing peace. Your challenge for today is this: The next time you catch yourself criticizing someone else, or even yourself, pause in that very moment and gently whisper to that thought, "I love you." To completely eradicate this kind of mindset, write in the comments below, "I no longer judge anyone." Share this video with someone who is ready to let go of their anger and the habit of blaming others. I will see you on day 16. I love you. I thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.